Our sages tell us that Abram came to discover God's presence in this world by virtue of seeing a luminous city. What does it mean, a luminous city? It could mean one of two things. It could mean that Abram saw the power of vitality permeating and emanating every living entity in the world. Abram was sensitized to God's luminous presence in this world. Another perspective is that Abram saw a world in flames. Abram saw a world replete with wars and poverty and pain and disease and pandemics. We, as the spiritual heirs of Abraham, need to incorporate into our lives at this point in our history these two perspectives. The one perspective is that there is light, there is life, there is dignity, and there is holiness in every human being. And secondly, that our world is burning, that our world is in flames, that every day as we watch the news, we see to our dread how the numbers of people affected by the coronavirus is constantly on the rise. As the spiritual heirs of Abraham, we must cultivate a divine perspective on this world, and at the same time, we must work shoulder to shoulder with the Almighty in order to alleviate the pain, the suffering, the anguish, and the deep fear that surrounds our world at this point in time. To be a descendant of Abraham is to look at the world in holiness, but also to take holy actions in order to try and alleviate as best we can the suffering and the darkness inherent in our world in this point in time. Have a sacred day.